Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to decrease frame rate in Lord's mobile application. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Lord's mobile game on your device and from the home screen, go ahead and tap the gear icon at the bottom right. This will open up the Others menu. Click on Settings from the menu and under Settings, scroll down to Frame Rate. To decrease the frame rate, make sure you tap on medium or low. After you do that, the game will apply the change immediately. Now that your frame rate is reduced, this should help your device run cooler and your battery last longer while playing Lord's Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.